One of Mahi Pono's main objectives is to help Hawaii's food sustainability needs so that we rely less on imported foods. So one of the ways they're doing that is implementing responsible and sustainable farming practices. Where are we in this idea of sustainability with Mahi Pono?
Yeah, so we're in field 509 right now. It was planted earlier this year, and sustainability for Mahi Pono is all about impacts, cultural impacts, environmental, social, economic. One of the biggest impacts we can have as a company is growing food here in Hawaii, growing food successfully and becoming a successful company. And on top of that, climate change is a big deal, responsible resource use is a big deal, creating jobs for local people. We're trying to take all of those things, and we're lucky that our partners support it, our customers want it, and our leadership here really values.
Especially when you think about a project that's 41,000 acres, so much laulima, so much working hands are going into it. How do you keep it as sustainable as possible?
Here in Hawaii, climate change is a big deal, and we aim to be a climate positive organization. As we're going to plant our millionth tree November of this year, that's going to sequester tons and tons of carbon and really help Hawaii towards its climate change goals. Our irrigation technology is high-tech irrigation. We're focused on being really efficient with our water resource. The water is an important resource for our local people and our culture, the aina. So we're really trying to take that into account with everything we do.
This is one type of irrigation that we use. It's called a fan jet or micro sprinkler. Basically, it's a small sprinkler at each tree that will provide the perfect amount of water that we need for each tree. It has a wide spread so that it basically can stretch out the root system for the tree. This way it's a lot more efficient for us, not wasting any water because we're at the spot of the tree, plus we get the spread for the root system. That's the main thing for us, is making sure that we use the water responsibly. To keep Central Maui green, it's going to take water. Our main focus is to use the water as best as we can, the most efficient way. So this is weed mat. This helps a lot with not wasting water. Keeps the moisture in so that it prevents a lot of evaporation. We have soil moisture probes throughout the field. Basically, it will tell us how much moisture is in the ground so that we're not applying too much water.
Being a climate positive organization, energy is a big part of that. Focused on renewable energy. And currently we offset about 87% of our electricity through our hydroelectric plant. And as time goes on, our energy needs will grow, and we're really going to focus on renewable energy to help meet those energy goals. Creating local jobs for hundreds of people. We're very lucky that the company hires local leadership, people that are tied to this place, that are born and raised in this place, that are here and invested in creating a better future for our people and our community and all of our kids and generations to come.
Brought to you by Mahi Pono.